fresh mango batch looks perfect.
Keep the mango juice line running smoothly. Every bottle of Nectivo mango juice begins with carefully selected fresh mangoes arriving for processing. Unload the mangoes carefully. The juice line is ready.
Water pressure is perfect.
Every mango for our mango juice must be spotless.
Premium mangoes only.
Quality keeps every bottle consistent. Peeling line is perfectly synchronized.
Send the fresh mango flesh to the pulping system.
Pulp consistency looks perfect.
Maintain the flow rate.
Send it to filtration.
Blend speed is perfectly balanced.
Recipe parameters are locked.
Move the mango juice to pasteurization. The flow rate on the HTST seems stable at 85 degrees. Pressure looks good too. We are clear for continuous operation.
Cooling temperature is stable.
The mango juice is ready for aseptic storage. Prepare the filling line.
Bottle feed is perfectly aligned.
Sterilization cycle is complete.
Move every bottle to the mango juice filling line. Torque reading is perfect.
Every Nectivo mango juice bottle is fully sealed. Move them to the labeling line. Label alignment is perfect. Nectivo branding looks flawless. Send every mango juice bottle for date coding.
Every code is crystal clear.
Quality inspection passed.
Let's move the mango juice bottles to the packing line. Bottle grouping is perfectly synchronized. Every Nectivo carton is loading smoothly.
Send the cartons straight to the sealing line. Seal quality is perfect.
Weight check passed.
Send every Nectivo mango juice carton to palletizing. Stack alignment is perfect. The Nectivo pallet is building smoothly. Prepare it for automatic stretch wrapping.
Wrapping tension is perfect.
The Nectivo mango juice pallet is fully secured. Move it to the finished goods warehouse. Warehouse location confirmed. Nectivo mango juice inventory is updated.
Move this pallet to the shipping dock.
Front position is locked. Load the next Nectivo mango juice pallet. Keep the trailer balanced. Security seal confirmed. Nectivo mango juice shipment is ready.
Clear the truck for departure.
Dispatch confirmed.
Safe journey, Nectivo mango juice.
Next shipment is ready.
Distribution is on schedule, heading to the regional distribution center. Nectivo mango juice shipment is being tracked. The Nectivo mango juice shipment now travel. Dock 12 is confirmed. Nectivo mango juice shipment has arrived.
Begin unloading immediately. The Nectivo mango juice shipment reaches the regional distribution center.
Inspection complete. Every Nectivo mango juice carton passed. Send the pallet to automated order picking.
Retail order confirmed.
Nectivo mango juice cartons are routed correctly.
Dispatch the next destination. Regional order complete.
Nectivo mango juice truck is fully loaded. Dispatch to the Retame stores.
Store delivery is on schedule.
Nectivo mango juice shipment is ready to unload.
Let's stock the shelves.
Fresh stock has arrived. Nectivo mango juice display looks perfect. Customers can enjoy it today. Nectivo mango juice is finally ready to become part of the customer's day.
Our freshest batch is on the shelf.
Nectivo mango juice always looks premium.
Enjoy your mango juice.
Your Nectivo mango juice purchase is complete.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Enjoy your fresh Nectivo mango juice.
Start your day the golden way with Nectivo mango juice. Pure, rich, and refreshing.